Yes. Okay, here we go. Um, yeah, okay. Well, let's code live, guys. Welcome back to another one of these. I'm gonna be creating a drawing game for as long as I can. Okay, YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna be, trying to real quickly before I go eat dinner. I'm going to be making a drawing game as best as I can. So we're gonna do this live together, and you know, okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. First things first, I'm gonna need to add in our pin here. Oh, wait a minute. Isn't there supposed to be more pin? Oh, wait. I know. I need to have a sprite going, and then I can. There we go. Okay. Let's see. So, okay. So what I can do is I'm gonna say when flag is clicked, forever, and I'm going to have it go to mouse pointer. And what we could do is we could say if, and then we'll say, if mouse down, and then we could we'll do, actually let's do if then and else. We'll say if mouse down, and we'll get rid of that. We can say pin down, and then else let's just do pin up. So let me see what happens here. Okay, so right off the bat, we already have a pretty good, simple, drawing game. When flag is clicked, we are going to need it to pretty much erase everything. Can I draw a cube? Am I good at drawing cubes? I am not. But this right here, that is as best as we are going to get it. So let's see here. Okay, so now, what is this? The chat rated stream. I don't know what that is. Okay. So, okay. Let's see. How about, I'm not feeling like programming in a bunch of buttons and creating sprites for different buttons and stuff. So I'm gonna make it simple and use, the keyboard for anything. So we can say actually, we don't need a forever loop for every kind of keystroke. So I'm gonna go with what should we do? I'm gonna keep it key W. So W for forward, we're just gonna increase. Okay, we're gonna change our pin color. So how much is 10? Okay. So if we do that, I'm starting, okay. So we're getting more blue. And then now we're sort of back to the original, right? I'm assuming, because now we got that. Now we got that. Okay, I'm seeing the trends here. Okay, so we can do, yeah, so when key W is pressed, we'll change our color by 10, and we could say when like key S is pressed, we're going to change it by -10, because that way we can go back to whatever color we were previously at, just in case. Okay, so now that, oh no, something's happening. That's okay. Wait, my stream better not, right? No, wait, hold on. Participant modes. Is my stream actually private right now? Oh, come on. Okay. I I'm clearly not very in it tonight because I just realized my stream was completely private. Yeah, that's not good, guys. That's oh yeah, that's not good. That's not good. So, yeah, so my stream was private. So I'm terribly sorry that you guys, assuming you were wanting to watch, you guys pretty much missed literally everything. Yeah, we were creating our yeah, we're creating a drawing game, and I notice that it's almost impossible to make a literal circle. It's like there's these edges here. Like there's always an edge or a face on it, you know? So, interesting. It must be the okay, so yeah, interesting. It must be. Now that now that it's actually, live for everybody, that just sort of means that, well, now y'all can be in here. I don't know. I don't know how to do right click on Scratch. I don't think you can. I'm sure somebody has figured out some special, cool hidden way to do it. I have not. Maybe I can look into that. So we have so we can do it pin. I'm not very familiar with pin, if I'm being completely honest. I mean, heck, somehow people do completely 3D games using pin. I do not understand. I can't comprehend any of that code. I'm strictly 2D when it's on Scratch. Unless I'm using like images specifically to make it look more 3D, but other than that, I cannot use pin and make an actual 3D game. So we have our simple thing. Let's add in some controls for increasing the size. We could do A and D for that. So what if we're like, okay, so D will increase. So we will say D. And let's see. This will change pin size. Hang on. Sorry about that. I had to cough really loudly because my voice was getting dry. Okay, how can we change pin size? It's right here. So here we can change the pin size. And what if we do okay. D, we'll do A, and we'll change it by -1. When flag is clicked, we could set pin size to 1. Okay. Alright, so there we go. So we got some different controls in there now. And what is going on? Hello, Wilbin23. Thank you for the support. If you need any help, any tutorials, just let me know and I'll be sure to get on that. And we can talk later. You gotta go. But for now, I'm just gonna kind of keep messing around on this. But okay. Alright. So I need to see what else should I, put in there. We will figure that out. So we have our drawing. We can change the pin size. So yeah. Let me just. What other pin controls? We have stamp. What does stamp do? I'm not very familiar with stamp. I believe what it does is whatever image sprite you have, it will pretty much, boom, stamp it in there. Because what if we do this? What if instead of pin down, we'll just do stamp for now? So if I'm like stamp, and then let's go and add in a costume. So it could be, what's the most, let's just do Scratch Cat. So if I'm like, ooh. Okay, I see. So, okay. So, okay, so if I think the else is causing it to not just constantly stamp? No, I'm not sure. Let's see, go to project. Oh, okay, I see. There you go. Now we are just infinitely drawing scratch cats. Very funny, very funny. So, you know, drawing engine. But I don't want it to be scratch cat right now. I'm just kind of having, just normal, just a drawing game. So we'll do pin up and pin down, and I'm gonna clean that up. Get rid of these. Okay, so what else can I do with pin? Again, don't get me started with the 3D because I don't understand how they do it. It's fascinating. We can set the saturation, the brightness, and the transparency. What if I set it to 50 on this? This will make it, I'm gonna increase the size a bit. And what if I'm gonna try to make it reddish. Okay, I see. So I like these colors. I get it. 1, 1, 1. So the higher saturation, I believe, is because now I can't see hardly a thing. I can see it drawing, but it's definitely not really there. So if I'm just 25, we'll see what we can do. Even 25? Oh yeah, there you go. Kind of see it increasing there. Okay, so that's, it's kind of cool. But yeah, I'm not really quite sure what else I could add into the drawing game. Look at all these colors. Now I'm just kind of mesmerized by this. Yeah, so I was just kind of doing a little code live with you guys. I think really that's just about it, kind of, because I'm not completely sure what else to do. But yeah, if you guys need any tutorials, always just comment down, say, hey, could you make this kind of tutorial? And I'll always be more than happy to. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but it will be soon-ish, I hope. And I'll see you guys later.